Bananas are nutritious fruit that can contribute to overall health due to the high level of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. While there is no direct scientific evidence suggesting that bananas specially improve men's stamina, that do offer several nutrients that can support overall health and potentially aid in maintaining energy levels. Potassium. Bananas are rich in a potassium, are an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contraction, and nervous signals in the body. Maintaining proper potassium level can support muscle function, which may directly help with stamina during physical activities. Carbohydrates. Bananas contain neutral sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, and bananas are carbohydrates which are the body's primary source of energy. Consuming a banana before exercise of any strenuous activity can provide a quick energy boost. Vitamin and minerals. Bananas also contains other vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and magnesium, which means various roles in energy metabolism and overall health. While bananas can be a part of a balanced diet that supports overall health and energy levels, improving stamina often involves a combination of factors such as regular exercise or nutritious diets, proper hydration, adequate sleep, and managing stress. It's essential to have a well-rounded approach to health and fitness rather than relying solely on specific food item to significantly enhance stamina or endurance. Consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist can provide personalized advice tailored to your special and specific need and health goals that the best chance to improve your stamina. Certainly, in addition, incorporating bananas into your diet, here are some additional tips that may help improve stamina for men. Balanced diet. Focus on a well-balanced diet that include a variety of nutrients dense foods such as proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fat. This can provide essential nutrients for energy production and overall health.